presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 2.7-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.